5 ways to help open a blocked nose. 1. Steam inhalation. Inhale steam from a bowl of hot water or a steam inhaler. This helps to loosen congestion and clear nasal passages. 2. Saline nasal. Spray. Use a saline nasal spray to moisturize and irrigate the nasal passages, helping to relieve congestion and reduce inflammation. 3. Warm compress. Apply a warm compress over your nose and sinuses to help soothe discomfort and promote drainage of mucus. 4. Humidifier. Use a humidifier in your room to add moisture to the air, which can help to ease nasal congestion and make breathing more comfortable. 5. Nasal decongestants. Over-the-counter. Nasal decongestants can provide temporary relief by constricting blood vessels in the nasal.